Unlock your inner creativity. Become an AI artist. How to become an AI artist, a step-by-step guide. Have you ever considered using artificial intelligence to tap into your inner creativity and become an AI artist? Artificial intelligence is currently being utilized to create art in novel and fascinating ways. Method 1. Learning AI techniques. Begin by studying the fundamentals of computer programming with languages such as Python or Java. Method 2. Learning art. Traditional art skills such as painting, drawing, and sculpting should be studied. Be willing to explore and take chances to produce one-of-a-kind works of art that utilize AI technology. Method 3. Exploring AI art platforms. Google's Magenta is an open-source project focused on helping people make music using machine learning. Artbreeder is a site that lets you experiment with AI-generated art by morphing and breeding images together. For more details, check the link in the description.
That's it, folks. If you're eager to get rich now, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for daily money-making guides. We're here to support your journey to wealth. Don't forget to click the link in the description to access an exclusive detailed post on GetRichNow.com. It's time to level up your financial game. Join us, and let's get rich together.